Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Teardown. Yeah, that's right, we're playing Teardown. How come I don't have all the maps? I want all the map. Wait, there's more? That's pretty cool. We're on the marina. But like, so this game you just tear stuff down. You can do a campaign, or just tear an entire place down for no apparent reason. In this video, we're tearing down things for no apparent. Oh my god, I'm going to back. Oh god, this was a horrible idea. Oopsies. Oopsies. My bad. I didn't mean to do that. Oh my god, is that a monster truck? Oh my god. I want a freaking monster truck. Get over here. This is a monster truck, guy. We're swimming to a freaking monster truck. 99. No, we're gonna ride in that monster truck. I swear to God, we will. I'm gonna make it my life's mission to ride a monster truck. Let me up! Let me up! Let me up! Let me up! Okay, good. Alright, I don't think we should ride the monster. No! No, Tether! We're gonna free you, monster truck. Don't worry. Okay, we're gonna free the monster truck. Okay. Don't worry, truck monster. I'm here to save your life. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, let's go back here. I'm so good at driving a boat, guys, I'm telling you. Look at this. But here, can someone tell me why they made the new COD game, the new Modern Warfare, cost significantly more than it used to? Because, like, now, if you want to start playing the game, I hope you have $70 to waste on a video game. Because that's how much it costs, which kind of sucks, actually. Because I want to play it, but I was going to get it, but I can't. We're going to break these torches. I'm going to break them. Tethers suck. They stop people from being free. Yeah, we're riding a freaking monster truck. Oh my god, no. We want to ride it. Yeah. Oh, frick. No, I'm not going to crash this time. Just got it. We'll be robbing. Something down. I'm not an arsonist, but I just want to burn something. I feel like I just described what an arsonist is, okay? Who's not an arsonist? I sure I am not. Alright. Down this building. Oh yeah. Burning is fun. Burning is fun. Especially some s'mores. I love burning s'mores. Guys, put in the comments if you like burn or not burn. Yeah, let's burn down this house. Yeah, let's do this. I hope I don't start some controversy with this small channel. And also, guys, we surpassed my goal. We have, instead of 30 subscribers, 31 somehow. That's pretty insane. That's actually pretty cool if you think about it. Oh god, there's too much smoke. Oh god, open this door. No, open the door. No! Burn down the office too. This entire building, by the time this video ends, is gonna no longer exist. Burning this building. It's fun, guys, right? I'm just telling you, it's really fun to burn down a house. I mean, not a house, but this building. It's just like there's no one in here. So I kind of felt the reason to kind of burn it. Oh my god, the entire front of the house just doesn't exist. I wanna. Yeah, that's right. This is so fun. This game is like just really fun if you're playing sandbox. I wish I had all the maps, but I don't. Also, instead of spending like hundreds of dollars to go to a raid, instead you can just spend $30 on a one-time purchase to get this game. It's the exact same thing. Just got some sunglasses, mostly cheap ones. This sucks. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. Yeah, that's right. We're burning down this dock. Yeah. Oh God, am I burning? No, we're not. Okay, let's check on that. Check on that play. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Oh, it's doing a really good job. Yeah, let's help it out a little more. Okay, so you gotta help out a burning building. Get it out of its misery. Building. Oh my God, we have boats. We have boats? Oh my God, I'm gonna try this boat. Yeah, that's right. What else did I think? Let's go grab it. This boat is just... Run. We just made this boat. Oh frick, that's a yacht. I have the really big urge to sink it. That's what it's my life's mission to sink this yacht. Oh, yeah, we're sinking a yacht. Let's go. Oh my God, what? Get in there. It's not sinking. Why is this thinking? Oh God, we're sinking. Oh frick. No, going down. Oh my God, no, my boat. No, I just stole that from someone. I put a lot of effort to try and hotwire the thing. Great, now I have to get into this yacht that it was originally burned down. Let's just break it. And just vandalize it. And extinguish it and burn it. Oh my God, this is actually just like do this. But that's not really working, is it? So let's just try and get back up on. Was that a propane tank? Oh man, I thought that was a freaking propane tank, because we get through that and cause some in the yacht. Yeah, yacht time. Wait a second, how do I drive this thing? Okay, we may have lost the entire side of the boat, but that doesn't change that we can still ram it into this dock. We are literally annihilating these houses. One of the houses just sank. But that's not my fault, that's that person's fault. That's the house's fault because the house didn't hold up. Like, this house just lost the entire back part of it, but it's still standing. So honestly, I don't know what to say to that house that just fell. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insanity. Let's keep breaking it because I want to sink this thing. It's my life's mission to sink this yacht. This yacht's missing because I just don't like it. Sinking this yacht. We're so close. The vehicle conditioning is at an all-time low. We're so close, guys. Oh my God, we're running into that wall. Yeah, I'm breaking the power lines. Alright. I don't know whose yacht this is, but it's no longer going to exist. Oopsie daisies. Almost this side is like almost fine, and this side is just like burned down. Oh wait, no, not burned down, but like. Oh, come on! Yeah, that's right. We want to break it. Oh my God, we're right there. We're right there. We're right there. And also put in the comments if I should do a live stream again, because my last live stream was very successful. We had 3 entire viewers watching me play Baldi's Basics. Oh come on! Oh my yes, yes! We're sinking! Oh, frick! We're sinking! Yeah! We're sinking! Yeah, stop the party. Yeah, let's go. We sunk an entire yacht. That's cool. That's pretty cool. So, guys, we just sunk an entire yacht. Yes, sir. We sunk an entire yacht, and you did. Whoa! Oh my God! I'm like a Mission Impossible. I'm breaking through. I broke in. Yeah. Yeah. This is awesome. This video's goal is to attempt to break this entire thing. Oh my God. Yeah, that sucks. Okay. Let's burn this place down now. I'm tired of this area. Yeah, that's right. Burn. Alright, I hope this place doesn't, make me mad. Okay, let's do Mission Impossible again. Mission Impossible, Impossible, oh yeah, Mission Impossible. With, I forgot his name, but I know he exists. Ryan Reynolds playing that movie, or was that the actor for Thor? I have no idea. Just the average person who doesn't know anything. Can I just burn this place? Just burn down, please? Like, would you mind just catching on fire and burning? I would really appreciate it. Please, just burn. How hard is it to burn a building in 2023? Okay. Alright, we did it. I feel like driving this truck. The back of this truck. Oh my God, that was so cool. The thing's just like built. Get in the water. Yeah, no more. Yeah, get down there. Yeah, nobody likes you, truck. Get down. And stay down. Okay. Oh my God! That was a freaking jump scare from Ohio. God damn. Oh my God. Open up. Just open. Oh, never mind. You don't have to. But now you make me mad. Be afraid of me. Ocean. Yeah, take down that entire building. Lee Chemicals. Okay. I don't like that company. They're on back. Put in the comment section if you think those chemicals are unradical. You also already know, if you're new to my channel, you gotta press that subscribe button. I know I'm saying it late, but I'm telling you guys, honestly, because then it'll turn gray, which simulates roads. But if you do that, that means you're like smashing. Oh God! Just press the button. This is really cool. The button's really cool, and if you press it, it helps me. It also helps YouTube, because it'll help you find more channels like me. It'll help the YouTube algorithm. be like, oh yeah, this person's just like this person. He's a way bigger YouTuber, so you should watch him instead of him. Because we gotta give money to our big YouTubers. Because if we don't, we're losing money. I just simulated YouTube right now. That's pretty good. Simulation of YouTube. We're gonna team up YouTube. Actually, the building is still burning? There is nothing left. I am gabberflasted right now. I am literally gabberflasted. Oh, so it just misses these metal. The entire top of the house is just being held on by a metal beam. Bro. How? God, this game was told to be realistic. I mean, I don't know if it's true. I didn't go to school yet for that reason. But like, honestly, I have no idea if that's even true. And then we're crash. Never mind. Let's go, yeah. Boom. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, that's right. Oh, bozo, this house is hell. Imagine. Whoa, that was a close one. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Help me, guys. Oh, okay, we're good. Alrighty, this is fun. This game is so fun. And also another fun thing you can do is subscribe. Like I said, it's a very fun thing to do. I'm telling you guys, it helps me and you, so do it. Literally do it right now. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Yeah, that's right. I stopped because I'm watching you. That's true. Just suppress it. That's what you gotta do. I'm just saying. You gotta do it. So that we could reach our goal of 40 subscribers. And also, we gotta beat the Action Rat and 50 subscribers. Yes, I feature his channel. Yes, we're friends. But still, you know what I mean? Like, it's friendly competition. So, yeah. He's got 40 subscribers, guys. I'm sure we can get 44. Just, that's like 14 more people with 50 subscribers. Truth honestly, if we hit that goal, then I'll ride a scary roller coaster or coast. So if you want to see me do that, then subscribe, because that would be really cool, right, guys? It would be really cool if I was riding a scary roller coaster, and not like just like a scary, like just scary, but like a really like one that goes upside down, because they're scary. I have a long history of riding roller coasters and then being scared of them. So, yeah. If we make it to 45 subscribers in a week, I'll ride one. Okay? That's a promise. Like, I swear to God, you guys can, like, cancel me by cutting this part out of the video and just putting it out, and I will do it. I swear to God, I'm gonna write it down. But, yeah. So, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. So, let's beat the Action Rat and subscribers. And then win this game. And then we'll win the game. Okay? And then I'll ride a scary roller coaster. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.